food is good for us? What the food we eat? What type of a food we have to eat? Which food is nutrient, which is good for our health? Why we have to eat that type of food only? And how to maintain the food habits? Okay, we studied about these all things. Okay, now we'll move on to the next chapter. Next is fit and healthy. Okay, in the previous class, what we studied? We studied that the food which we get from the animals, the food which we get it from the plants and animals. Which food type of foods we get it from the plants? Which food type of food we get it from the animals? We studied about that. Now, after knowing about the foods where we get that all type of foods, after studying about that all things, we'll move on to the next chapter, that is food fit and healthy. How much we have to eat? What type of food we have to have? What is good for our health? And in which quantity, in how much quantity we have to have it regularly to be fit and healthy. The next chapter is what is that? Fit and healthy. Fit and healthy. The name only shows that fit and healthy means how fit means to work or to waste our energy or to move from one place to another place, to work hard, to study, to go somewhere. For that all things we want what? Fit and healthy. Without doing these two things we can't do anything. We are like a waste bodies. Okay, so we have to maintain ourselves, we have to be fit, we have to be healthy. If you are sick or if you are dull, what others tell? That she can't do anything, she is a dull person, they will tell now. So what we have to do? We have to maintain ourselves, we have to be healthy, then only we can be good and we can impress others. Okay, before we start our chapter, the new chapter, the fresh one, we'll start with a prayer, children. All of you close your eyes. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurme Deva Sarvakaleshu Sarvada. Okay, now we'll start with our chapter fit and healthy. In your chapter, they mentioned that first one, the general question they asked, what makes you fit and healthy? Circle the correct picture. They given us some of the picture in your textbook. They told that what make you fit and healthy? They are asking what make you fit and healthy. Circle the correct picture. First one, sleeping. It makes you healthy and fit? No. It makes you dull and dizziness. It makes you feel always sleepy only. Okay. Next one, doing exercise. Yes. It makes you be fit and healthy. Next one, having good food. Okay, like a healthy food. She is having a junk food, so it is good for health. What she is having, children? See it. She is having junk food, so it is not a good. Next one, he is drinking too much of water. Yes, it will make you to feel fit and healthy. Last one, playing in rain. It will make you sick and it will make you feel tiredness. So play, we are not telling don't play. You have to play. How much you want daily, that much only you have to play. But in the correct manner, not in rain or not in too much of sun. Okay, now we'll start with our chapter. Okay, page number 185, children. It is very important to be fit and healthy. Come, let us meet Riya and Rahul. They are taking two examples there. Who is that? Riya and Rahul. Every morning, Riya and Rahul wake up early. They eat a healthy breakfast before going to school. They do not get tired easily. Do you think they are healthy? What they do? They both are in the same family. What they do? They get up early in the morning. So it is good for health. We have to get up early in the morning. Late getting up will make you tired whole day. So we have to get up early. They are also getting up early only. So they are good children. Next, they have a healthy breakfast. What they do? They have a healthy breakfast before going to school. we have to have healthy breakfast. Morning, when we get up, if we eat oily thing or junk food in the morning only, it will make you heavy, feel heavy. So what we have to do, we have to have the light food, that is which will be good in nutrients, good in proteins, that type of food we have to have in the early morning. And what they are telling, they will not get easily tired. Why they will not get tired? Because they are having a good food, healthy food, and they are getting up early in the morning, so they will not get tired. They are good students. They will do all the good things to be fit and healthy. So turn the page number 186, children. No more, I will read that. A regular exercise not only keeps you healthy, it also sharpens your memory. Regular exercise. All will tell now we have to exercise to be healthy and to look good. So it will not give only the energy, it will boost your memory also. It will make you to remember all the things, what all things you will read now, what all things you will remind or remember, want to remember, that all things will keep in your mind only if you do regularly exercise. Okay, occasionally one exercise, it is not good. If you do daily, that will make you remember all the things, what all things you read now, that all things will be in your mind only. So we have to do exercise. Half an hour, 1 hour exercise will be good for your health also and for your mind also. Okay, exercise. We'll move on to the exercise now. We need exercise to be healthy and strong. Walking, skipping, running, cycling and swimming are all good exercise. Good exercise ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ, just ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಂದ್ರುದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ exercise ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, when we do walking, okay, not too fast walking also, the slow walking also will help your body to be active and all nerves will be cooled down. Okay, next, skipping. You all play skipping now, not too fast, that all will be in the medium speed. Okay, too fast skipping also make your heartbeat increase. Okay, it will increase your heartbeat and you will feel what? You will feel suddenly pain, or you will feel suddenly tired, fully tired you will feel. So all will be in the equal speed. And running also, cycling and swimming, these all are the good exercise which we have to follow it. That will make you be healthy and strong. It will make you strong enough. Okay, next one, good food. What we have to eat to be strong and healthy. Now we studied what exercise we have to follow. Now we'll see about what type of a food we have to have to be strong and healthy. We must eat all kind of food. We must eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. We should avoid eating too many chips, pizzas and burgers. I told you that time only, junk foods that will make you feel tired or heavy. It will make your body heavy. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to have all the vegetables which is available near you now. We have to have that all vegetables, and we have to have all type of fruits. ಅದು ಬೇಡ ಇದು ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬದಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕಾ. It will make you what? It will make you healthy and strong. Okay, eating pizzas, eating burgers and eating lot of chips, it will make you feel heavy and sleepy also. So we have to avoid that all things and be healthy. Next one, good posture. Good posture means how we have to maintain our body, how we have to sit, how we have to stand, how we have to move, that all things. Posture is the way you hold your body when you are standing, sitting or lying down. Posture make you what? It make you feel strong. Okay, some cases. How? If you are standing in the bend shape, it will make your back like that only. So we have to be stiff. We have to stand stiff. Then only it will support your back. It will support your legs. It will support your neck also. So we have to maintain a good posture to be healthy. Okay, a good posture helps you stay fit and healthy. Okay, the good posture make you, if you bend your neck too much, it will start paining in your neck portion. If you bend your back, it will start paining your back. Okay, if you sit too much, it will make your legs pain. If you stand too much, that also. If you sleep too much, then also. So we have to maintain that all things in an equal manner. Sleeping hours you all know. Okay, working also, you all work in the equal time. You all sleep that much only. You all take rest. Yes, that have a limited timing. Too much of sleeping also make you feel sick. Too much of working also make you too much feel sick. Okay, so all have that much only time. We have to maintain that to be healthy and fit. Next one, rest and sleep. Now the time is resting and sleeping. How much we have to take rest, how much we have to sleep in a day. The body gets tired after work and play. It needs rest and sleep. All of you want sleeping and resting. Rest. Yes, all of you need. If you work for 1 hour continuously, then also you want rest. If you work for 8 hours continuously, then also you want what? Rest. For at least half an hour rest, all of you need. Yes? Yes, the rest make you feel good. Yes, it will make you feel good and it will give you energy to do work next. Yes, so we have to follow this also. Work ಮಾಡಾಕ ಮನಸೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೀವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ರ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, you start feeling sick inside. You start feeling sick inside. So working is important, but taking rest also is important. So next one, we must sleep early and get up early. Night we have to sleep early. Before 10 o'clock we have to sleep. Before 6 o'clock or 6:30 we have to get up. It will make you fit and healthy. And morning exercise also make you fit and healthy. We must sleep after 8 hours, for 8 hours every night. Count whenever you sleep. I am not telling particularly sleep at 10 o'clock only, sleep at 9 o'clock only. Whatever time you are sleeping, but sleep 8 hours a day. 8 hours a day. So before 6 o'clock you are getting up, it means you have to complete 8 hours sleeping. As much as earlier sleep and as much as possible get up early. If we exercise, eat good food and take proper rest, we will remain fit and become healthy. If you do these all things, if we eat properly, if we take rest properly, if we do exercise properly, yes, and if you do the good postures, if you maintain a good postures, then no way that you will become a dull or you feel a sickness. You will be a healthy and fit. So we have to maintain these all things. Today what all we studied, children? We studied that how to be fit and healthy, how to maintain ourselves fit and healthy. We have to do exercise, we have to have good food, vegetables we have to have, fruits we have to have. We don't have to have junk foods like chips, we don't have to, burgers, pizzas, these all things affect our body. And we have to maintain good posture. Okay, we have to stand in a proper manner, we have to sit in the proper manner, we have to walk in the proper manner. Okay, and after doing these all exercise, food, posture, the last one is taking rest. Our body also want what? Rest and sleep. 8 hours we have to take rest. Okay, we have to sleep to be fit and healthy. Okay children, you will also follow these all things now. You also become a fit and healthy students. Then maintain these all things and follow in your life. Then we all will be fit and healthy. Okay, okay children, practice these all things. We'll solve the exercise part in the next class. In this class, in this chapter, we have so many difficult words. So try to underline that all difficult words and write it 5 times. Okay? We'll solve the exercise part in the next class. Okay, children? We'll meet in the next class. Bye.